In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Descript AI. First, log into your Descript account so you can access the workspace. Once you're in, you'll land on the home page. This is your starting point. To begin a new creation, click the New Project button. Descript will ask whether you want a video project or an audio project. Choose video if you're working with footage, screen recordings, or any visual content. Choose audio if you're focusing on podcasts, voiceovers, or music. This choice sets up the right canvas and tools for your workflow. Next, upload your file. You can browse your computer to select the media you need. Give Descript a moment to process. Larger files may take longer. If you ever need to find something you've already worked on, click the Projects tab to view your projects. This is a handy way to stay organized and quickly jump back into ongoing work. Open any project by clicking it, and Descript will take you straight to the editing screen. Here you'll see your timeline, preview, and key panels. On the right side, you'll find the AI tools designed for quick editing and polishing. This is where Underlord comes in. Underlord can create highlight reels to pull out your best moments automatically, and it can generate custom visuals to enhance your story. Use it to accelerate your edit, then review the results to make sure everything matches your intent. When you're ready to build out your content, click on the Elements tab. From here, you can add text for titles and lower thirds, shapes for callouts or backgrounds, and media like images, logos, and B-roll. Keep your layout clean and readable, and align elements thoughtfully to draw attention to what matters most. For accessibility and engagement, click on Captions to add captions or subtitles. You can style them to suit your brand with consistent fonts, sizes, and colors. Take a moment to skim for accuracy and timing so your captions match the spoken words. Throughout the process, design according to your vision and branding. Maintain consistent typography and color palettes, and use spacing and contrast to make your content easy to follow. Small details like on-brand lower thirds, subtle transitions, and clear on-screen prompts can make a big difference. When everything looks right, it's time to export. Choose the format and quality that fit your needs. Decide whether to burn in captions or export them as a separate file. Name your project clearly and export. That's it, you've created a polished project in Descript AI.